Happy Father's Days to all the moms that stepped up to be dads and all the stud daddies out there doing their business on their grind, manning up. I commend y'all. I hope one day that I can have a little one of my own or get involved with someone who already has their own because I love kids. I'm gonna try to sing this song by Luther Vandross, "Dance with My Father." Not close to my father, bad experience with him and stepdad. So anyways, I know there's good ones out there. So anyway, I'm just gonna do the song. That's what I'm talking. Your girl say love. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Spin up the stairs, he would carry me, and I knew for sure I would love if I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him. A place for that will never ever end. Oh, one love, love, love. Dance with my father again. Oh, when I and my mother would disagree, yeah, yeah. To get my way, I would run from her to death. He'll make me laugh just to comfort me. Then finally make me do just what my mother said. Later that night while I was asleep, he left the thunder up under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could still one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'll play a song that will never ever end. 'Cause my love, love, love dance with my